Every second, somewhere in the world, someone is trading currency. Some are gambling, others are professionals. Forex trading isn't about luck. It's about discipline, timing, and one simple strategy. Let's get real. Most new traders blow their accounts within months. Why? Because they chase signals, over-leverage, and fall victim to emotion. FOMO, revenge trading, impatience. Complexity is the enemy. The strategy you need is simple, visual, and built on price action. So, here's how I keep it straightforward. Step 1. Market structure. Identify the trend. Is price making higher highs and higher lows? That's an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows? Then it's a downtrend. Support and resistance zones are the battlefield. You don't enter trades anywhere. You wait for price to come to you. When price bounces off a key support or resistance, that's your signal to pay attention. Step 2. Confirmation. Price reacts to a level, now what? I look for a rejection candle, a pin bar, an engulfing pattern. This is my cue, my high probability setup. But that's not enough. Step 3. Discipline and risk. Never risk more than 1-2% per trade. Set your stop loss before you click buy. Plan the trade, then walk away. This isn't gambling, it's execution. Before you ever go live, backtest this strategy on historical charts. At least 100 trades. Log every outcome. You're not just building a system, you're building confidence. Only then should you trade live. Not with a dream, but with a plan. In the end, the only Forex strategy you'll ever need is structure, confirmation, and discipline. Simple, repeatable, maybe even boring. Remember, amateurs focus on rewards. Professionals focus on risk. Master this, and the market becomes your mirror, not your enemy. Subscribe to Gen Z Dollar and become the boss of your own money. Trade smart, trade simple.